Hi Don, I wanted to give you a close-up of how we're going to give you a construction handle of how to remove these sashes. We don't put the handles on to begin with. In the center hole, there's a square peg on the inside, so this window is going to be in the locked position. So take the construction handle and insert it into the square peg as it was in the locked position, and turn it to this position here. Now the window is unlocked. It opens. Up, tilts, close, open. And the other thing I would like to show you right here is this is the fail safe, which means that this handle will not turn unless this fail safe right here clicks against the other sash and lets it close. So if you want to override that system with the sash open, you simply press this tab in, and now that lets you turn this. But there's only a few times you would do that, so for right now I would not override the system. So close the sash back up. If you want to remove the sash, leave it in this position. Remember, next time you're going to insert the handle, the sash will be in the open position, so you're going to want to insert the handle just like this. I'm going to rotate the camera over onto the hinge. Okay. To remove the hinge, you take the handle, you press the little tab down. Okay, the hinge comes from the bottom up. It is spring loaded. It is designed for that way. You basically just pull it down. You can pull the whole hinge out, or you just barely let it hang here, so you can insert it back in as soon as you pull the sash out. Now, you will see the part of the hinge that's on the sash, on the very top, it is slotted. And when I pull it out, you will see that the hinge that is on the frames has two grooves for that slot. So, when you're taking the sash out, just let it tilt straight back, which means that these slots here, or the grooves on the sash themselves, will line straight up. Then you can turn it, lift it off the bottom hinge, and now the sash is removed. To put it back in, you take the sash, you put it on the bottom hinge, like so. And then on the top hinge, sometimes the tilt stay pops up a little bit, and I'm going to give you a close-up picture of that as well. Make sure that the tilt stay, which I'm going to show you right now, on top of this window. Where is it? Here we go. You can see how that moves. So you want to make sure that the tilt stay is clicked in and clicked down, because sometimes this part will catch here if it lifts up a little bit here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So then I'll bring the sash back up into this position, because I know that's how I took it out. So this is how the slots are going to line up. Go ahead, start the pin going in. Whenever you do some hammering on here, make sure you use a nice mallet hammer that's got some soft points on it. Goes back in. Now we know the window is in this position, and if I want to lock the window, overall view of this. And to lock the window, you put the handle in, because you know it's in the open position. You rotate it down, and now it's locked. And everything works again. And once again, I do want to mention, when you do take these sashes out, even though these windows are a lot of them the same size, when we adjust these windows, we do adjust the sash specific to each frame. So I would suggest, with little pieces of tape, somehow mark them as you take them out. Make sure they go back into the correct frame. And that's about it on that. I will make another video in regards to the cover caps, how they go on, and the adjustment.